Okay, guys, it's officially time to start building my server, okay? Now, I got some new things in today, like our Beelink, the main computer brain. I got this Dock Mini, which actually seems super cool. We'll talk about it in a minute. So I did change some things up from the original plan. Now, there are some things coming that get here tomorrow, but today, it's like 10 right now. I'm going to stay up all night building this thing, okay? And then I got my 4-inch monitors. Now, the thing about these, they are so tiny. I thought 4-inch would be way bigger. I'll have to see. I'll try them out. If they work, thank goodness. If they don't, I'll get some bigger ones, okay? So we got 2 of those. They do fit on the... Actually, we'll have to see if they do fit on the actual tripod things on the back. And then we got a few of these rack shelves. We'll have to install these first. We got a desk pie. Okay, so here's what's happening. I got this thing which attaches into the rack server. And it holds 4 Raspberry Pis, like 5s, 3s, 4s, the big ones. I only have 1 right now, but I'm hoping I could grow my collection as I get more. So that's why I got this, and we could install that later too. And, I mean, got some other stuff. Vault, what's this? Oh, here's my firewall. So, first we just need to start off by getting this thing its own source of power. So got a nice Anger bank right here, which my whole server's going to be plugged into. It is pretty nice quality, and this thing needs a lot of power, so let's install it real quick. Meantime, I'll turn this way, so it's easier to install stuff and actually see. I actually might just put it on my desk. So I guess we could start off by just grabbing all the important stuff that we need right now. So that would be like our Beelink, this guy. Nice and plugged in. Got a cable right here. Not needed right now. And what looks like some sticky tape. Now we also have these sets right here to hold stuff on. So we should go ahead and screw them on. So the problem with the fan is it sticks out way too much at the top. So I have no idea what the guy in the video did, but I'm a master at making stuff not work. So, you know, I've got this, and I'm fixing it. And by the time I'm done with this, it's going to be looking way better than it did with his, okay? Now, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this front panel off, see if it still works. Hopefully it does. Okay, now we got our Beelink.